Let me ask you something. How many times have you had a product idea or an idea for a new brand you maybe wanted to start, something you genuinely thought people would buy, and then what happens with it? Absolutely nothing, because you don't know where to start. Who do you even call to make this thing? How do you find a factory? How do you know you're not getting ripped off with the supplier that you choose? That gap between having an idea and then actually holding that product in your hands, that's where most people stop. And I totally get it, because sourcing feels like a black box. Finding manufacturers, knowing which suppliers to trust, negotiating those prices, it all feels extremely overwhelming. But in this video, I'm going to show you why that gap does not have to exist anymore. I'm going to show you exactly how I found a product with long-term growth potential. I narrowed it down to the best suppliers, compared my options, and even negotiated a better price without actually sending a single message for myself. By the end of this video, you are going to have a full roadmap on how to properly start a product business and how to supply those products the smart way. Now, the very first step in starting a small product business is to find a winning product. I've recently made a video about how to do this, but for this, I am going to briefly show you guys again. I'm going to be using the tool called Accio Work to do this beginner product research, because we want to identify a product that is selling, has great profit potential, because let's be honest, that's why we're here, is to make money, and one that has great predicted growth rates. So inside Accio Work, I'm going to ask the tool, I want to start an e-commerce business in 2026. Find 10 physical products with strong long-term demand, healthy profit margins, low legal or regulatory risk, and high potential for repeat or consistent sales. Prioritize products that are not fads, can be sourced from multiple manufacturers, and have room for branding or customization. For each product, estimate retail price, estimated landed costs, typical profit margin, target customer, competition level, and explain why you believe demand will continue to grow over the next 3 to 5 years. Then rank them from the strongest to weakest opportunity and recommend the single best product for a beginner. Now, before the tool spits out the results, I kind of want to walk you guys through my own product selection framework, because just looking at raw data isn't really enough. You need to know how to actually read whether a product is worth pursuing. I personally evaluate products on 3 dimensions. So the first one is the underlying trend logic. Whether a product can sell for 3+ years isn't about whether it's hot right now. It's about whether there is an irreversible social trend driving it. Take the sleep economy, for example. In the post-pandemic era, global attention on sleep health has been climbing steadily, and according to industry reports, the global sleep aid market is projected to surpass $130 billion by 2028, with a CAGR above 6%. What does that mean? It means you're not jumping on a product fad, you're stepping into a category on an upward trajectory. The second thing I look for is the branding entry point. So a common mistake that beginners make is picking a massive market, but then realizing there's almost no room to differentiate. Think phone cases. That's a huge market, sure, but how much differentiation can you actually pull off? When I evaluate a category, I specifically look for signs that it can be redefined. Sleep masks sound boring, right? But if you go through Amazon and DTC brand reviews, you'll find the same complaints over and over. They don't breathe, they dig into your ears, they lose shape after a few washes. Those pain points, those are your brand's entry point. You can also add organic materials, ergonomic design, adjustable straps. These are not gimmicks, they're real differentiation. Third is repurchase potential and AOV ceiling. An ideal product has a low barrier to first purchase, reducing decision friction, but plenty of room for upsell within that category. Sleep masks are a textbook example. So a basic version sells for about 15 to 20 bucks, but if you go silk material plus organic lavender fill plus a gift-ready packaging, your AOV easily jumps to $35 to $50. Okay, back to the tool. You can see it's immediately generated 10 products, each with detailed data, retail price range, estimated landed cost, profit margin, target customer profile, competition level, plus 3 to 5 year growth projections. Honestly, all 10 are compelling, but the weighted sleep mask with glass beads really caught my eye right away. We've just discussed that. And when I scrolled down, I saw it was also the tool's #1 overall recommendation, so even better. Now, why did I pick it? It nails all 3 of the dimensions that I just laid out. So the sleep economy is a macro trend. Organic and ergonomic ergonomic features give real differentiation room, and both the price point and repurchase logic are absolutely solid. Plus, it's not an electronic product, so there's no complex post-sale or certification hurdle. Extremely low risk for a beginner. So we're done with the product ideation part. Let's go ahead and move on to how to actually source the product. So now I want to turn on the Accio Sourcing Toolkit plugin. So you're just going to go to the left to plugins. You can choose the Accio Sourcing Toolkit right here. Now I do have it downloaded already, but there typically would be a download button here where you would just follow the prompts to download, and then go ahead and add it to your agent by selecting this right here and then selecting the button here to toggle it on. Basically, this is a 24/7 autonomous sourcing team handling everything from product discovery and supplier vetting to automated supplier negotiation and inquiries. This is going to require you to sign up or log in with an Alibaba.com account. Now, Alibaba.com is a B2B wholesale platform where you deal directly with factories for bulk orders. So if you're building a brand and running a product business, Alibaba.com is where you should go to. One more thing before you register, Alibaba.com has a built-in protection mechanism called trade assurance. The short version is that if you pay and don't receive your goods, or the goods don't match the contract, the platform steps in and compensates you. Any supplier that tries to get you to bypass the platform and pay them privately, block them immediately, don't even think twice. Now I have both the email plugin enabled here and the sourcing agent plugin enabled, and I'm going to tell it, I want to go with the weighted sleep mask with glass beads. Find 10 of the best suppliers for this product and show me the comparison of why they are the best and most trusted supplier for this product. Now you guys can see it's done that research and it's identified 10 suppliers for this and told me, years on the platform, their overall rating, why they're trusted. But after looking over this, I kind of realized I really want to stick to organic, all natural materials. So now I'm going to tell it, give me the suppliers who offer all organic materials for the mask. And then here it gave me this list for the top suppliers for all organic and natural material masks. And now I immediately have access to the supplier name, the key materials they offer, their certifications, which is really crucial whenever you're growing a brand and selling something like an organic material. And then it also is giving me what they're trusted for. Now watch this. Let's say I really want to reach out to all of these suppliers and I want to negotiate a bulk price up front for the first batch of products that I want to order. Instead of the typical unit price, I want to negotiate for 1,000 units at $3.50 a unit. So I'm going to tell it I want to purchase 1,000 units of this product, but I need the cost to be lowered, ideally at or below $3.50 per unit. Automatically contact these suppliers and negotiate on my behalf until pricing meets my target. Negotiate like Kris Jenner would negotiate. And you guys can see it's coming back and saying, I will now take over as your lead negotiator. Think of me as the momager of your supply chain. I'm going to reach out to the most promising suppliers we've identified to secure that $3.50 price point for your 1,000 unit trial. Now it's going to give me the links to all the chats that it started. So let's go ahead and click into those. So the second that it gets that green light, the AI is going to take over as that lead negotiator. When you're reading it, you can kind of get that momager tone that we gave it to have. And immediately you all can see the goal is simple, to lock in that price point on that specific unit trial order. And the AI really hones in on that. Right out of the gate, you can feel the energy. It's confident. It's not budging on the number. It's opened the conversation, introduced the order size, put the target price on the table immediately. So no small talk, no apologizing for asking. This is the exact tone that I wanted it to have. Now the supplier has responded with what they actually offer. Straightforward, no negotiation yet. They're just laying out their side. And this is where it stays on task. Instead of getting pulled into the product details, and losing its way, the AI circles right back to the one thing that matters, confirming the unit price before it'll even move forward on anything else. The supplier kind of asks for further details, but the AI is really holding the line. We'd like to confirm the unit price point before sending anything else. And that's that momager instinct. Don't hand anything over until those numbers are locked in. And just a key point here, it's negotiating back and forth without me doing a single thing. And it's negotiating back and forth with multiple suppliers all at once. Now, what I do from here is just let the AI agent continue doing the negotiating for me for these units. I don't have to worry. I don't have to stress. I don't have to try to jump in and figure out what to say. This is going to do it for me all automatically even while I go to sleep. And then I do want to show you guys the end result of a supplier landing at the target price or around the target price, all from the AI doing the negotiation with that specific tone that I gave it, back and forth all on its own. Now, really quickly, while I was filming this video, Accio Work actually launched a new feature. So now you can view all of your conversations with your suppliers in the messages section directly in the platform, which makes everything much more convenient, and it really streamlines the entire sourcing process for you. Now, let me give you guys a before and after, because honestly, this is the whole reason I wanted to make this video. I want to show you the difference. So before, the old way of sourcing, you had to hunt down suppliers one at a time, write out your product descriptions, then copy and paste the same message into 9 different chats, juggle 9 open tabs and inboxes, losing track of who said what. You've got to re-explain your design and quantity over and over, chase follow-ups for days, manually drop every quote into a spreadsheet to compare. Now, with the sourcing plugin, you just select the suppliers and then the system automatically handles the outreach. It runs all the conversations and negotiates each one for you. It brings the quotes back, compared in one place, so you're getting the same outcome, finished negotiated supplier deals, except one version eats your whole week and the other one you can kick off in 2 minutes and walk away. I actually just went from no idea of what to sell to a list of 10 high profit margin products with predicted longer term growth, to the suppliers who can supply them, to even more niche suppliers who are certified in offering more organic material, to completely messaging suppliers and negotiating down price, to getting a list of quotes in one place in about 1% of the time. So guys, if you're at the stage where you just want a great product idea, or you've got the idea, but the sourcing part feels like a wall, this is the thing that completely removes that wall. This makes sourcing feel genuinely doable, and it opens the door for everyone who's wanted to start a small business but didn't know how to do it without going handmade. If this is you, my advice is to download Accio Work for desktop. The link is going to be in the description box down below. Run it on one product idea that's been sitting in your notes, just one. See what it comes back with, and if you try it, come tell me in the comments what you searched for. I'm genuinely curious about what you're working on and how this tool can help you. If this inspired you or you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. I truly want to make starting a small business easier for everyone by helping you understand the tools that we've got available today. As always, I want to say thank you to everyone out there for your incredible support. Thank you for the comments, the likes, for watching the video, and I do look forward to seeing you with my next business idea or amazing business tool in my next one. Bye-bye.